Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to withdraw money from crypto.com to your bank account. Alright, so let's begin. So to do this, you first want to go and open up the crypto.com app. Now the first step you need to take kind of depends, but what I recommend is clicking on accounts in the bottom and here select fiat wallet. Now I'll just sell some crypto so that I have money in my fiat wallet. So after you click on your fiat wallet, you will see this right here. From all you need to do is click transfer and then withdraw. Then here select your fiat currency, which for me is euro. And now here you can see the minimum per transaction. If you now click withdraw, now you can see I have these two bank accounts right here. Now if for you a bank account shows up that you own, then you don't have to set it up and can just select it. And if you have enough money in your account, so that's at least 80 euro, then you can just go and withdraw it to your bank. Now if isn't set up yet, so your bank account doesn't show up, then instead of clicking on withdraw, go back and here you need to click transfer here again, but then you need to click deposit. Then here again select your currency and select a bank transfer. Now the reason that you need to do this is that after you deposit some money, that bank will then be linked to your crypto.com account. Now one thing that's important is that the bank you deposit from needs to be under your name. So the same name that crypto.com account is under, if that's the case, and you just deposit one for example, or whatever the minimum is, then it will show up as an option to withdraw. So you can see in this section of the withdraw. If then click now, you can see under my two banks, it says to withdraw a different bank. First make a deposit from that bank account. The name on your bank account must match the legal name associated with your crypto.com account. You can set up a maximum of 5 accounts. So for example, if I want this one, then in the top, I can just write how much I want to do. Now I only have this amount. But if you have over 80, you can just click on review in the bottom and then confirm it. And then the money will be on its way to your bank account. So that's basically how you can withdraw money from crypto.com to your bank account. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.